Portable fan, sun king table fan. So let's go. Like, I'm back. Unbox with me, sharply. So yeah, we have varieties. The fan cover, the fan cover and the blade. Here is the stand and the engine. It's in here. So this also works with code. If you look at this place, this black place on this. So here the 1 to 3, 1 to 5 is the place where you input your code. It's also a metered product. Every other informations, you can see them here, you can see them here, and you can see them at the back. And all her products are 2 years warranty. Thank you.